Join me as I dive into the craziest heavy equipment fails caught on camera and try to guess what went wrong before the big reveal. Then, in an instant, it happens. The tanker loses traction, sliding backward at an alarming speed. Within seconds, the entire vehicle tilts and disaster unfolds right before your eyes. Just when it seems like the chaos is over, something unbelievable happens. A fallen truck, left motionless, suddenly starts moving on its own. Slowly at first, then gaining momentum like a ghost coming back to life. The massive vehicle rolls forward, completely out of control. The road ahead is clear for a moment, but then disaster. A car appears in its path, and there's no stopping now. In a split second, metal meets metal in a brutal collision. And now, another struggle unfolds. A John Deere truck, buried deep in the unforgiving mud. It's stuck, completely helpless, its massive tires spinning with no way out. But here comes the rescue. A powerful excavator moves in, its arm stretching out like a mother reaching for her child. The chains tighten, the tension builds. With a forceful pull, the truck inches forward, fighting against the thick, sinking mud. The struggle is real. Every second feels like a test of strength. Will the excavator be able to free it completely, or will the mud pull it back in? The effort continues, and the outcome hangs in the balance. Oh my gosh! Thankfully, they are safe. And just when you think the danger is over, here comes another heart-stopping moment. A truck approaches a sharp, unforgiving turn too fast, too risky. The wheels slip, the balance shifts, and within seconds, disaster strikes. The massive vehicle tips over, crashing down with force. Everything inside scattered. Boxes, debris, materials all thrown out in a violent mess. A sight no one wants to witness, but there's no time to stand still. People rush in, assessing the wreck. The only hope? An excavator. It arrives like a savior, its giant arm reaching down, locking onto the fallen truck. Slowly, inch by inch, the battle to lift it begins. Sometimes, you have to wonder, are these drivers even human? The way they speed, the risks they take, it's as if they have no fear, no concern for anyone else on the road. Do they think they're invincible? Or are they just gambling with fate? Every reckless move puts lives at risk. One wrong turn, 1 second of carelessness and disaster is unavoidable. Are they really drivers, or just chaos behind the wheel?